name's Amanda Sevis. I'm a nursing student and a content creator here in Arizona, and I got my 4Runner lifted at BDM Customs. So I started online on Safari, just kind of Googling and looking at places around Arizona because I'm not from here, so I wasn't sure where to start. Nothing really stood out to me except for you guys. I saw your page on there, but I wasn't ready to get it lifted yet. And then I was actually at work and as an EMT, and somebody recommended me to you guys. And yeah, then I reached out.
I feel like your guys' social media presence was pretty strong on TikTok and Instagram. I really liked watching your reels and the transitions, and it was cool to see other 4Runners and what they looked like when they were done by you guys too. So it was actually a lot easier than I thought it would be. I knew nothing about lifts, tires, or wheels or anything when I first reached out to you guys, so I was a little nervous in that sense. You were very helpful in helping me select the tires and the wheels and telling me what would fit on my 4Runner, what we would have to do, certain cuts we would have to make. You walked me through the whole process from start to finish, and I'm very picky and indecisive. I sent you guys a lot of different options and a lot of different pictures, and it really helped my image come to life. I would have to say, going through the options and trying to figure out what I wanted was probably the best part. It was fun. It was hard because I'm so indecisive, but it was fun. And you guys were really patient with me, which is something I really appreciated because, it's a really big decision lifting a vehicle. It's not cheap, but it was worth it. So I wasn't sure how the process would be after I got it done, but you guys actually have been very helpful afterwards too with my questions about different things. There was a 100-mile checkup, which we retorqued the wheels, and then 1,000, which you retorqued the suspension. And now I'm here again getting just my tires balanced and rotated. And I texted you and you were like, yeah, sure, bring it in. So it wasn't just like all right, it's lifted, you're done, we're done. It was a relationship that continues going on, which I really appreciate, and you guys are taking really good care of my vehicle. I would say that you guys are very thorough, start to finish. They'll walk you through the whole process. They're not gonna leave you hanging, and you guys will be very honest about what will work and what won't work, and you'll kind of just guide the process along and make it really easy and really fun. Can I do like an 11.5? Does that work? Yeah? Okay, we'll do 11.5, definitely.
Again, my name's Amanda Sevis. Come get your vehicle lifted at BDM Customs for a great experience.